Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. I miss Muhammad in the beauty, baby. So guys, on today's topic, guys,
we'll show you guys how to do lele.
You guys, because I've been having a lot of questions on my email and Instagram asking me, Mary J. Black, why are your hands so orange and red, stuff like that. Actually guys, in northern part of Nigeria here, we don't usually use Q-tips or fixing of nails. So guys, that's what we use to decorate our hands, like cultural design that we normally use here as another part of Nigeria to decorate our hands, and some part of African countries also usually use it. Yeah, we guys, even Indians, Indians, comment down below please. You guys should please comment down below. Indians, Arab, they usually use lily, while they call it henna, to decorate their hands. So guys, for those of you asking Mary J. Black, please show us how to do it. And for those of you guys asking me that Mary J. Black, please, no offense, why use what's that on your hands? No, there's no offense. Anything you guys find on my channel, you're free to ask me a question. Ask me. Yeah, I'm always ready to answer your questions. Ask me, Mary J, what's this or what's that? Yeah, I will try the best I can to explain to you guys. So that's the lay, and we love it so much. So I will show you guys today. I will be showing you guys how to do it. So you guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love.
Yeah, guys. So
we love you guys.
It's still your favorite girl, Mary J. Black, and Miss Muhammad in the beauty, baby. So guys, let me explain something to you guys. This is how we normally arrange the selected, then you be cutting it and making any design of your choice. And this is how the lily looks like. Let me show you guys. This is how the lily looks like. I've already mixed it with this liquid and water, then it comes out like this. You guys, that's how it comes out. So this is the liquid. I don't know what's called in English. Please, anyone knows what's called in English, kindly comment down below, you guys. But after the mixture, this is how it comes out. So guys, and this muhallabiya, we call it tulare for lele, because after the lele you rub it, then it will come out very beautiful and neat. So after 24 hours it will look a little bit darker than red. So some people use petrol inside the lily. They use petrol inside the lily and water and this very liquid to mix it so that it will look dark. But I don't use petrol, so I use only water and this liquid. So you guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I love you guys. Mwah. Let me start with my leg because I need to make use of my hands to record the video for you guys. And this is how to cut the selective. Actually, it depends from the kind of design you're trying to bring out. So if you're thinking how long it would take for us to finish all this, it would take about 2 to 3 hours if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2 to 3 hours, it depends. So guys, can you see? This is how it will look like. I love lily so much because I don't fix my nails. I've never fixed nails. Yeah, I've never, and at the same time I've never fixed my hair. So maybe this week I'll try the best I can to fix my nails for the first time. I'll try the best I can to fix my nails for the first time. I love lily so much. I love it so much. So you guys should please stay tuned and see the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell for more of my interesting videos, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, let it go viral. I love you guys so much. Mwah. So guys, this lily lasted for 2 hours from start to finish. I'll be removing it now. After removing it, I'll use a rag to clean it. Then after I've cleaned it, I'll use this muhallabiya, that's turari for lallai. As I said the other time, I'll use it for like 30 minutes so as the lallai to come out very neat and dark, because I don't want it to red like that. I want it to look a little bit dark. Then after using the muhallabiya, applying the muhallabiya for like 30 minutes, then I'll use water and soap to wash it so as the lily should look so good. So you guys should please stay tuned and see the final look. I love you guys. Guys, I just washed my lily. Now let me show you guys how it looks like. Can you guys see that? This is how it looks like now. This is how it looks like. I love it so much. I love it. I love it. I love it so much, guys. Let me show you the one on my left. I don't know if you guys can be able to see it because it's already dark now. So guys, this is how it looks like. Let me show you the other hand. So guys, for those of you asking me, Mirjibla, what are you using? Why are your fingertips orange? Why is it this? Why this, that, right? This is what I'm using. I'm using Lolly. I love it so much. I love it. I'm using Lolly, and that's northern part of Nigeria. We call it Lolly. While some other places they call it Henna. If I'm not mistaken, Indians they call it Rani. So you guys should please comment down below and tell me what's this called in your own language, guys. Comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell for more of my interesting videos, guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, let it go viral, guys. I love you guys so much.